Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Wonder Innovation. Today we find ourselves in the heart of Dubai Marina. I am your host Firdaus and I am so much excited to show you the beauty of Dubai Marina. Take a look around and you will see the magnificent buildings that define this iconic skyline. Viewers, Dubai Marina's development began in the early 2000s when Emaar Properties, one of the Dubai's leading developers, envisioned a thriving waterfront community. The ambitious project aimed to transform a stretch of barren desert into a bustling urban paradise. Dubai Marina, also known as Marsa Dubai, is a district in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is an artificial canal city built along a 3-kilometer stretch of the Persian Gulf shoreline. Now, let's take a stroll along the Marina Walk. Viewers, the pathway slopes gently downward, leading us deeper into the heart of Dubai Marina. It's an easy descent now, but remember viewers, what goes down must come up. Brace yourself for the climb later. Observe the delivery biker diligently carrying out their duties. Viewers, Dubai Marina is not just about architecture. It's a symphony of human ingenuity and nature's artistry. As we step onto the Marina Walk, the towering skyscrapers surround us like guardians of modernity. Dubai Marina launched in the year 2003 as part of the Dubai Waterfront project. The inspiration of Dubai Marina came from the Congo Pacific Place development along Falls Creek in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. The marina is entirely man-made and developed by Emaar Properties and designed by HOK Canada. To create this man-made marina, the developers brought the waters of the Persian Gulf into the site, carving out a new waterfront. Take a moment to appreciate the architectural marvels that adorn the skyline. Usually this area features a magnificent fountain, but today it rests. Viewers, do you know, upon completion, it claimed to be the world's largest man-made marina. The largest development within Dubai Marina, JBR offers luxurious apartments, shops, and dining options. Look at that twisted building, almost like a dance frozen in time. Each skyscraper boasts its own unique design, contributing to the tapestry of beauty that is Dubai Marina. Let's explore further. Dubai Marina officially opened its door in 2003 and it quickly became a popular destination for residents and visitors alike. There is a publicly accessible foreshore way around the marina, allowing visitors to enjoy the views. Approximately 12% of the total land area was dedicated to this central public space, which includes almost 8 km of landscaped public walkways. Wow, the yards! These floating palaces exude opulence. Imagine cruising the azure water and watching the cityscape glide by. You can even rent one for a taste of the high life. Today, Dubai Marina accommodates a population of more than 60,000 and continues to evolve as a vibrant hub of modern living. Viewers, see these sleek touch screen monitors. They guide you virtually, pointing out landmarks, restaurants, and hidden gems. No more getting lost. Dubai Marina has your back. That's it for part 1, my dear viewers. But fear not, we'll be back with part 2 soon. Until then, stay safe, take care, and don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. This is your host Firdaus signing off from Dubai Marina. Take care. Bye bye.